ever pull out a baking tray out of the oven and already know cleaning it is going to be a serious battle? That was me the other night after cooking dinner for my family, and honestly, the dishwasher usually becomes the weak link in my whole cleaning process. Big pans don't fit right, drained on food gets left behind, and half the time I still end up rewashing something by hand or having to majorly scrub it before I ever put it into the dishwasher. But this new Dreame built-in dishwasher, the DZ601 Pro, is trying to fix that with some pretty serious cleaning tech and a few features I honestly didn't expect to see in a dishwasher. Ding ding ding, light bulb went off. That's a hint. I've been testing it now for a few days in my kitchen here and to see if it lives up to the hype. Heavy cookware, glasses, coffee mugs, sticky messes on dishes. And there are a couple features in here that make this feel way more premium than a standard dishwasher, even if it's coming from my favorite robotic vacuum cleaner company. The first thing that stood out to me overall is the design. The DZ601 Pro has a really clean built-in look that blends into our kitchen really nicely. It doesn't scream appliance, which I actually like. It just disappears into the cabinetry and keeps the kitchen looking clean and organized. I love the look of it. But obviously the real test here is performance. So I loaded this thing up with exactly the kind of dishes that normally cause problems. Pots with baked on sauce, grease pans, dried food on plate, cups shoved everywhere all over the dishwasher. Basically a realistic post-dinner disaster thrown into the dishwasher. And this is where Dreame's StormWing spray arm came into play. Instead of just spraying water in the usual pattern, the StormWing setup is designed to hit hard-to-reach areas with more targeted coverage. You can actually see how aggressive the spray pattern is during the operation, especially on larger cookware. Combined with this 70-degree high-temperature wash, this thing attacks grease and dried food way harder than most standard dishwashers I've used before. The pots and baking trays were probably the biggest surprise for me because those are usually the items that need a second pass or hand scrubbing even after it's gone through the dishwasher. But the targeted boost wash feature focuses extra cleaning power on heavily soiled cookware, and it made a noticeable difference in the outcome of the dish. So if you cook a lot, especially large meals, this is probably one of the most useful features on the whole machine. Another thing I noticed right away is just how much this thing holds. It's big and can hold a lot. The DZ601 Pro supports up to 16 place settings, which is a ton of capacity for a built-in dishwasher. I mean, like, who has a dining room table with 16 seats? You can actually fit a full family dinner load in here without playing dishwasher Tetris trying to make everything fit. The adjustable basket system helps a lot because you can move things around depending on taller pans and such, larger bowls, or oversized cookware. And the adjustable tines make easy to secure awkward dishes without them moving over during wash cycle. Now, one feature I didn't think I'd really care about as much as I do is the drying system. Like, do we ever think about drying our dishes? We hate drying our dishes. So this dishwasher uses dual drying with auto door open functionality, which kind of tripped me up the first time I used it, because after the first wash cycle finished, the door automatically opens slightly to improve the airflow and help dishes dry more effectively. Like, I thought it was talking to me, but it was just drying itself. And that sounds simple and actually solves one of my biggest annoyances with dishwashers: opening them up later and still finding moisture trapped inside. You don't want that. You also have fan-assisted ventilation built into the system, so dishes come out noticeably drier, especially plastics and cups. Another really cool feature is the 15-day fresh storage mode. So if you run the dishwasher and leave dishes inside for a while, the system helps keep them fresh and dry instead of getting that stale dishwasher smell after a few days. That's actually really helpful in the case like you're going to travel, leave for the weekend, or just don't unload dishes immediately. You can let it run and know that they're going to be just fine. And despite all that cleaning power, it's really quiet. The quiet operation makes a huge difference in an open kitchen layout like we have here, because you can run it at night or while watching TV nearby, and it's not dominating the room with noise. You also get a really clean control interface with multiple specialized wash programs depending on what you're cleaning. There are 8 main wash programs, additional cleaning functions, plus a self-cleaning mode built into the system. And I like that the status display makes it easy to quickly see what's going on without opening the dishwasher during, your cycles. How many times have you thought, like, what is my dishwasher actually doing right now?
So I've been using the Dreame DZ601 Pro for about 2 weeks now, and overall, it's been really great. I love the experience of it. There are 3 things that I really like about it and 2 things that not so great on. So I like that I can get some massive cleaning performance out of it, especially on pots and pans. And the large capacity is a huge plus, along with the auto drying feature and how it pops out the door at the end of the cycle. That is really cool. I'm definitely getting a lot more in than my old dishwasher. As for the downsides, well, some of the heavier wash cycles do take a little bit more time, but I guess that's to be expected based on how hard it's working there. And because it holds so much, unloading it takes a little bit more time, but hey, at least we got it all done in one shot. So it's super great. I love how quiet it is. In fact, it's running right now, and we're definitely running a lot fewer loads throughout the week.
One thing Dreame is also doing right now during launch, free shipping and a 2+3 warranty setup. So that's a standard 2-year warranty with an additional 3-year extended warranty offer included during the launch period. Yes, you heard that right, 5 years on the warranty. Overall, what I like about the Dreame built-in dishwasher is that it feels designed around real-world kitchen problems instead of just adding flashy features that the engineers thought were cool. The StormWing cleaning system works really well in my experience. The targeted boost wash actually helps with difficult cookware. The drying performance is very impressive and much appreciated, and the large capacity makes it practical for families or bigger meals. It feels like Dreame took a lot of the smart home thinking they're known for and applied it to a kitchen appliance that people actually will use and appreciate. So I've left details in the description of this video here. Go check them out. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Smash the subscribe button, please. Yes, I'm asking you. Smash it right now. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thanks so much. See you guys on the next one.